Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, and this project I made called Lemonade. Yeah, let's see how it's called Lemonade.
Avoid the strawberries.
I'm leaking.
You leaked.
Okay, and let's see the
Leaked lemonade.
Oh, I love lemonade. Let's start. Set background to color to purple. I want to change it to kind of cyan-y. Set my sprite, which is the player removed, to a lemon. And move my sprite, which is the lemon, with buttons.
So you can move your lemon with your buttons on your computer or on the screen.
Yeah. Then set my sprite, lemon. I'll just say lemon. Stay in screen.
So it can't go out of the screen and then you're lost.
Yeah. Then start countdown 30 seconds and set number to 30. So number is a variable. And we'll need it over here, which I'll explain later. On game update every 500 milliseconds, it will set projectile to projectile strawberry from side with VX pick random -50 to 50, VY pick random -50 to 50.
So projectile strawberries will come out of the edge of the screen.
On sprite of kind, lemon overlaps other sprite of kind, strawberry.
So when you touch a strawberry,
it will start spray effecty.
So the lemon
will start spray effect.
So leaking juice.
Then change score by 1, but it's the strawberry score. If score is
less than
larger than number, which is 30, then game over at lose. You lose. On countdown end, if score is equal or smaller than number, which is 30, then game over as win. And now let's play.
So Kalia's gonna go first. The background's pretty rough.
But I like strawberries and lemon. What do I do?
That's why they're fighting. Oh no.
Oh, I know, they're fighting to be my best.
Oh man.
Okay, Andrew's turn.
Turn.
Well,
Kalia's lemon leaked. Oh.
16, 18.
I don't like strawberry.
I love strawberries. If you get one more to 10, well, too fast. Yeah. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.